Ordered some suitcases from Made, and I have quite a few different suitcases already, but I don't have a matching set. So I think it'll be nice to have a matching set for a change and actually just, yeah, have a coordinated luggage arrangement when I'm going. And it has happened to me several times when I travel back home to New York and I buy a couple of things and somehow underestimate how it's gonna fit in the luggage that I brought. And at the last minute, I have to be rushing to Marshall's or Target to like pick up a suitcase. So hopefully now that I'm traveling with a proper set, that's not gonna happen to me, and I'm not gonna have any more like mismatched luggage, because I'll have a green fabric suitcase, a black Samsonite also fabric suitcase, pink, I think the brand is called March, hard shell suitcase, a burgundy one, I'm pretty sure there's another color in there, but I can't recall. Oh, a gray one that I picked up at Target. So this time I got a set of green. I'm hoping it's forest green, but in the photos they looked a little bit lighter than that, but the color said forest green. So let's see, because I really love the color green. Yeah, I'm hoping they will turn out to be a good set, but we'll see. The suitcases I bought look like this. They're on sale. Yeah, I really like this color. I'm not sure if this is forest green. It says forest green, but I have some doubts. Let's see. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Nice colors as well. Seems like it can fit a lot. I got the hand luggage, a mid-size and then a large one. And I was contemplating getting between this green, and they also have a gray one, but I thought, can always find a dark colored suitcase. I already have 2 dark colored suitcases, so maybe it would be nice to get something closer to a color that I like. This is what it looks like. I really am trying to understand why they named it forest green if it looks like almost, what is that, teal, sage? I don't know. We'll see when it arrives. I think the guy on the left is carrying the gray one. The gray one is nice, but I really feel like the green color stands out. Also has this combination lock, which is pretty handy. All these little pockets, which are perfect for me because I always have all these loose items floating around in my luggage, and it would be nice to have somewhere to store them. And yeah, so this is the gray set, that's the green set. I was having second thoughts about the gray set, but now looking at it here, I realized the green looks really like cool. This is the size. I think this is the large one that I have. So they're not super big, but I think it's perfect because the bigger the luggage, the more you tend to take and the heavier that it will be. Yeah, just some details about it and a photo of someone carrying it. And I thought this photo looked really good. So I thought, yeah, the green one is the best one to get. So let's see when it arrives. The suitcases have arrived. The doorbell just rang and the postman brought them. So this should be the hand luggage. This should be the mid-size, and that should be the large one. So I'm gonna try to unbox it and see how they look. So I was able to go and get my box cutter, and I'm gonna open the box and see what's in there. Start with the first one because all the suitcases look quite similar, so it should be fine. Some styrofoam and actual suitcase. For hand luggage, this was kind of big, or at least it looks large. Just trying to check out the color. It does look like forest green. I like it. I actually love it. It's like nice dark green color, so not exactly like what I thought I saw in the photos online. In this lighting, I have a sort of weird yellow light going on here. It's almost looks gray even from one angle. So I pull it up, it's like this. That's really nice. I like it so far. Then you have the lock on it. Let's see if I can zip it down. so I can show what is inside. Yeah, nice. 3 pockets, so a small pocket at the top, one in the middle and one at the bottom, and then here you can put clothing on the other side, and also there's a little flap down here, so it's really perfect. I guess the others are exactly like this, so I'll open those as well. Let's see. Here's the inside from another angle. So you have this buckle. You put stuff underneath. You have this little flap pocket. Any loose things that you worry might get lost can go in there. And then, oh, I thought this was 3 zips. Okay, I see now. There's 1 pocket here and 1 pocket here, and then this zip is to open around there, and then you have space over here. So yeah, on the inside it looks pretty good as well. And the sizes are bigger than I expected, but this is great because depending on what type of trip you go on, you have your hand luggage. If it's a short trip, you can take this mid-size as your suitcase, or if you're going for longer, you can take this one, or if you're going for a very long time, you can take both. So that's really what I wanted, and it worked out pretty well. The great thing about the suitcases is that they can fit inside of each other. So I've already put the smaller one, like the hand luggage, in here. Then I put the mid-size one into the larger one, and then I'll close that, and then you can see, yeah, storage is no issue, which is great because I was concerned looking at the wheels thinking, will one be able to fit in the other, but they fit in pretty perfectly. So this is what the luggage looks like in slightly better lighting. Yeah, I really love it. It really looks like forest green. I'm so glad I went with the green. I was having second thoughts, but once it arrived, it is really nice. I'm so happy with this set. I cannot complain at all. I wish Made was sponsoring me because I'm really hyping up their luggage, but at least aesthetically, it looks really good. We'll have to see how it stands the test of time once you start traveling, but so far, so good.